Good morning from Vateiro Bay. Now in Maranhão, we located right now. We testing catamaran right now. I want to get this. I want to get this donation, to sail around the world. We talk more seriously today. So now we in bay here. Yeah, taking easily. I want to make film. Yeah, this is coast. It's another island. Yeah, I am second time in Vateiro, but was before when in hotel I was very short time, but in marina I never was here in the port. And now my friend visited and I stayed in the house. Sleeping here and testing catamaran right now. It's new. It's a beautiful design. Very nice. Constructed this in Vateiro, basically. Fiberglass, all fiberglass. Yeah. So there's extra mainsail. Yeah. I am sailor from Hawaii Islands. I sailed from Hawaii Island to Punta Arenas, Chile. Wooden classic design boat, Bristol Schooner Cutter. You saw guys videos and pictures on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube. And now I am a catamaran. Today. And I am interested to get this catamaran because I want to sail around the world solo. I'm very interested. I am an adventure person. I am a strong adventure. So it's and that's why I am much interested. Right now, I'm making a video. I am a sailor. I'm interested in sailing. And travel. I travel all Brazil with my